In this video, we are going to talk about scripts. Now, scripts are just a file that contains all your code. So you can work in the command line, but as you're creating these variables, once you restart shell, all of this information that you typed in disappears. And so obviously you're going to want to store these steps of commands into a single file. So to do that, you just click File, New, and that creates a .py file, and that's a Python script file. So let's type in some code. You say A equals A, B, C, D, and I want to print A so that I can see it. Now if I didn't type in print A, then it would do the things in this script. I just wouldn't be able to see the final result. Let me explain that. Let me just type in some other variables. 1, 4, 2, 3, or 2, 3. Okay. I'm gonna print B, and let's just see what happens when I do that. First I have to save it, so file save, and we're just going to do my file save, and then to run it you can either click up here, run module, or F5. For the vast majority of the time you're just going to be clicking F5, and you can see what it does is it restarts the shell so that anything you type in the command line will not be included in this script. It's not going to assume any of that information. So all this is self-contained, and it prints A. So you can see here, and then it prints the variable A, and then down here it prints the variable B. Now, if I didn't include print, and I Control S to save, and then I run it, then of course it just prints A. So it's only going to show you the results if you print it. Okay, so print B, and then you can do something like print A plus B, and Control S, F5, and you can see it adds those two lists together. So obviously the vast majority of the time you're going to be working in these script files.